Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the messenger call problem. This is very simple. You have to just follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, tap and hold the messenger application. Now you can see app info button. Click on it. This will lead you to this interface. Now you can see there are many options here. First of all, go to your permission option and make sure all the permissions are allowed, like camera, files and media location, then microphone. At least these four options should be allowed. After that, you have to click on the first stop from the bottom right corner. This button may appear at the front place, but the thing is that you have to just force stop messenger at first, then go to the storage and cache option at the third place, and you have to just clear the storage and clear the cache. That's all about this section. After that, you have to go to the Play Store and make sure your messenger application is updated. You have to just search for messenger, and if it's not updated, you have to update it for the latest version. After that, you have to enter into the messenger application. Now you have to put all the information they ask for, and that's all. Hopefully there will be no problem. Still, if you're having any problem, you can comment down below. I will try to solve it. See you.